What up guys, it's Nicole and today I'm doing the alphabetical challenge of doing your makeup in alphabetical order. This is what came out. Yeah, look, I was expecting a lot worse. I'm still not happy with how it turned out at all. But yeah, we got through it. And it hurt me doing it backwards, but we made it through. This is how it turned out, so if you want to see all this getting done, please just keep on watching. This is going to be bloody interesting. So let's just jump straight into this. So obviously there's nothing for A for me. B, there's blush and bronzer, so I'm going to have to pack these on just so you can still see it. So I'm probably going to go in with my Hoola bronzer because I know that will stand out. This feels so wrong going backwards, but it is what it is. I'm gonna do my best to pack all this on so you can still see it through foundation and everything like that. Oh, this is so wrong. Now with my bronzer brush, I'm just gonna try and settle this. Still needs to be harsh, but I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna want it harsh as possible only because I want it to stand out through my foundation. Next is blush, and I'm going to be using the NARS blush because that will probably stand out the best. I'm really trying to pack all this on so you can see it. Next would be contour, but I don't really contour or have anything to contour with right now. So I'm going to skip contour and go straight into eyeshadow and eyebrows. Can't even prime my eyelids for this because that starts with P. Wow. Okay, eyebrows. Let's do this. Oh my god, I could have done save concealer. Oh my god. Maybe I can go back. Can I go back? Is that allowed? Can't believe I forgot concealer. I can prime my eyelids. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know what made me think of it, but I can prime my eyelids. Do a little bit under here. This feels so wrong using powders then creams. Okay, this is gonna be a hot mess. Okay, so now I'm gonna do, ignore this eye, it's leaking. I just hit it. I'm just gonna do something simple on my eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with Skinny Legend out of the Wet Palette by Colourpop and Bretman Rockman. With this one, I don't want to say it because I'm probably going to pronounce it wrong. Sauce guys. And the edges a little bit. I hate how bad this looks. And now I'm going to just put a little bit of the Thickens silver just on the lid. Okay, I'm gonna clean that eye out because that's ridiculous. Can't believe how much that's leaked. Anyway, now it's foundation. Okay, this is not going to be good. Put it there, right there, yeah, a little bit there, lightly. Let's try this and see how well it goes. I don't think it's going to go very well. It's probably going to cover up everything, but that's fine. That's fine. Or just make it look weird. Highlight. I'm going to go in with whatever's next to me, so Jeffree Star Ice Cold. Lipstick and then mascara with She's Cute from Colourpop. Okay, this is where the next two are gonna get fun. Mascara. Okay, so far it's looking okay. Somehow I managed to get the bronzer to still show through by doing it as dark as I did, and it doesn't look as crazy as I thought it would. Like, it doesn't look the best obviously, but I was expecting it to look a lot worse. But this is where it's probably going to get ruined. It's because I have to use primer. I wish I had a setting like a spray primer, but I don't, so I'm going to go in with the primer Original by Australis, and I'm going to do my best to dab it on my face. And I can tell you now, this is where it's all gonna go wrong. All gonna go very wrong. Yeah, it's pretty much removed some of my makeup just there, which I expected it to do. It's sort of giving it like a dewier look, which is not too bad. I just feel like it's removed a lot of it. But yeah, this is how it turned out doing my makeup in alphabetical order. At least the highlight's still there, but yeah, look, it's not the best thing I've ever done in my life. And I'm never doing this again. But yeah, it was a fun little challenge. I thought I would have a lot more products to use, and I honestly thought that bronzer, because of how dark I did it, was going to turn out horrible, but so far I've made it work with a foundation, so it's not too bad. This side's still a bit how you going. It's definitely come off a bit here. I don't know if you can see really on camera, but I feel like you can, because of that primer. It's wiped pretty much here off. And yeah, so if you like this little challenge and look, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. Please don't forget to subscribe, because that would mean the absolute world to me, and I will see you guys next time.